Anxious? Can't fall asleep? Try listening to me listing the volcanoes of the USA. Starting with the volcanoes located in the state of Alaska. 1. Alagogshak. 2. Amak Volcano. 3. Black Peak. 4. Bogoslov Island. 5. Bull Volcano. 6. Buzzard Creek. 7. Capitol Mountain. 8. Shagalak Island. 9. Davidoff Volcano. 10. Devil's Death.